Little storyteller.
Barnaby the baker was typing a message to his friend Lily about a yummy cake. He typed, "The cake is ready." Suddenly, Barnaby's face stayed just like the winking face emoji. One eye was closed, and a big smile was on his face. He looked in the shiny kettle. What a funny sight! Lily the florist was reading Barnaby's message. She was so happy she quickly replied, "Yay!" But then Lily's face also got stuck. Her cheeks puffed up in a big happy smile. She looked at her reflection in a watering can. How silly. Soon, all around the sunny town, people had emoji faces. Mrs. Gable the librarian had wide, surprised eyes because she was reading a very exciting book. Timmy the toy maker had a big grin because he just finished building a wonderful toy train. Even Whiskers, the fluffy bunny, looked a little confused, while with one ear floppy and his nose twitching. Barnaby with his winky face met Lily with her happy face by the sparkling river. They both giggled, even though their faces stayed the same. They saw Mrs. Gable looking very surprised as she walked by the park with Timmy, who was beaming with joy. Suddenly, with a little pop, Barnaby's wink disappeared. His face felt normal again. Then Lily's big smile softened into her usual kind face. One by one, all the emoji faces went away. Mrs. Gable's eyes went back to their usual gentle look, and Timmy's grin became a sweet smile. Barnaby and Lily were happy to have their normal faces back. They learned that even though emojis are fun, it's also good to show all sorts of feelings with our real faces. It helps our friends know how we truly feel inside.
Please subscribe. Thank you.